To make an origami heart, grab a piece of A4 paper and fold the top right corner down so it meets the left side of the paper. Unfold the crease and do the same thing with the top left corner, but leave it folded. Fold the bottom part of the paper up so it meets the base of the triangle you just made. Unfold the top part of the paper so you have two diagonal creases making an X shape. Fold the top of the paper down so that the fold passes through the center of the X. Then unfold it. Flip the paper over and bring the right and left sides together by folding them inward along the horizontal crease. Flatten out the edges of the triangle you just created. Fold up the outer bottom corners of the triangle to make a diamond. Then fold in the outer edges of the bottom of the paper so that they meet the bottom edges of the diamond. Fold the paper in half vertically and unfold it to make a crease. Fold the bottom corners up so they meet at the center. Then fold the top flap down. Tuck the folded up bottom corners inside the edges of the top flap. Then fold the top points down at an angle to make the upper lobes of the heart. Finish by tucking in the corners of the flaps you just folded over.